Alright, in this video I'm going to go over it's probably most of the questions you guys are probably going to want answers for. I have wrote down a few things in the notepad that I feel are most commonly asked questions, so you guys can just come back to this video anytime you guys have a question. Obviously, if you guys have any other ones, you guys can always just hit me up and I'll definitely answer them for you, no problems. Alright, let's start. The brokers, these are the brokers that I use. I already told you about those in the broker video, with the levers that they come with that I prefer to use. Server names for the brokers, right there. Leverage, sir. Leverage is what brokers offer to give you more buying power to use towards trades, right? Now, when you're placing a trade, you get certain lot sizes when you're going to place a trade, which determine how much money per pip you get. Now, a pip is 1 pip equals 10 micropips. Alright? 1 micropip is 1 movement in the market. I'll show you right now. Alright, as you see right here, price 141, 169 is what this current price is, right? It just went up to 172. Now it's up to 176. 141, 170, from 141, 169 to 141, 176 is 5 pips. Okay. The last number at the end right here, the last number of every single pair is micro pips. The number with the second number to last right here, these ones right here, the second to last number, those are the pips. Those are the ones you really count. You don't really worry about the last number at all for the most part. You want to worry about the second one right here. Those are the pips. 1 pip equals 10 micropips. 1 pip, 10 micropips. Remember that. That's how the markets move. That's how you get paid, depending on how many moves you make. Okay. Now, like I told you guys in the last video, I like to use this crosshair bar because it measures out the movements. All right. Now, say I have placed the trade right here, this bottom line right here, and I have took profit right here. All right. This, see the middle number right there, the 192, where the crosshair is, 192, 193. That's the amount of micro pips you move, that you have made movement. All right. Now, pip wise, you made 192 pips. You made 192 micro pips. You made 19 pips. Okay, remember that. 19 pips. That's how you really want to be based off. Micro pips is there, but you don't go off of micro pips. You go basically off of pips. So 1 pip equals 10 micro pips. Alright, so 192 micro pips equals 19 pips. Alright, now let me break it down a little more for you guys. Alright. Now, go back to leverage. For these brokers that I offered you guys, I recommend for you guys, you get 1,001 and 201. Alright, for 1,001 leverage, for 1 lot, you can place 1 lot per, I think it's a little bit over $100 in your balance. If you have $100 in your account, you could place 1 lot. Alright, I think it's like a little bit over $100. I do not recommend this at all. At all. That's just saying what this leverage is allowing you to do. Like I said last time, it's double-edged sword. Yeah, it gives you way more buying power because you can place 1 lot, which is $10 per pip, which I'll explain in a little second, per $100 balance, which is amazing. But if it goes 10 pips, that's your whole account right there. Okay, 10 pips happens really, really, really fast. So like I said, that's what you're allowed to do. I would not recommend you to do that. Do 1 lot in a $100 account, because you'll probably blow your account fast as you put money in it. Alright. And for FX Choice, the other broker of choice, you got 201 leverage. Okay? Which gives you can place 1 lot per $500 balance. And this is why I said I recommend you guys to use this one, the FX Choice, which is actually the broker that I first had also, and I still currently use to this day. Because it's just more safer, especially for you being new. You guys are newers or whatever. You guys eventually going to want the greed factor is going to come in. You guys want to over leverage. Okay, it happens. It happens to everybody. It's just something you have to fight. Eventually, you get 1 lot per $500 balance, which even still, I don't recommend doing this at all. One lot for 500, especially being newer. I do not recommend it at all. I'm just saying that's what the broker is allowing you to do. That's the leverage they're giving you. So that's what you can place a trade as. You can place a trade with that. $500, you can take one lot trade, which is $10 per move. And I'll spend that right now. Alright, $1.001, basically what it looks like. That's one lot. This is considered one lot. One lot equals 100,000 units. Okay, 100,000 units of the currency you're buying and selling, and that gives you $10 per pip. Alright, so now say price right here is at 141, 169. Okay, price for it to go from 141, 169 to say up here to this wick. This right here is a wick. This long thing is a wick. I'll explain all that to you in a second. But look at this. If it goes up to here, that gives you 24 micro pips, which gives you 2 pips, right? So from here to here, you would make, if you're doing one standard lot, 1.00 lot, you're already making $20 and 2 pips, which is nothing. As you can see, this candle right here just shot down in a matter of seconds. It was just up here, and it's already did 2 pips in a second, but it moves incredibly fast. Like, look at here, this is the 5-minute chart. These are 5-minute candles, every single one of these, right? Like, look at this move down here. This one 5-minute candle did 26 pips, 263 micro pips. If you're doing one standard lot, which is $10 a move, in 5 minutes you could have made $250. Yes, $250. That's how serious this is. The possibilities are endless, especially with the leverage that the brokers give you and how all this works. But like I said, I do not recommend you doing it with such a small account, and I'll actually get to that in a second with my risk management part. But that's how that works. One lot, 100,000 units equals $10 per pip, which is, let me just write this out, which is 10 micro pips. Okay. Now 0.10, which is looks like 10 cents when you look at it dollar-wise. 10-cent move equals $1 per pip, or 10 micro pips. Right here, 0.1 cents, basically 0.01 lots equals 10 cents per pip, or 10 cents per 10 micro pips. Alright? Now, like I said right here, per pip there is 10 micro pips. And the formula to actually find out the leverage and stuff like that, and how much you can actually place with a certain leverage, you got to do is 100,000 units, which is one lot. All this is based off of one lot. But it's 100,000 units divided by the leverage that the broker is giving you, which gives you the amount of money you will need in order to place one lot. And so you know, one lot isn't the only thing you could do. You could do 2 lots. You could do 3 lots, 3.00, which is $30 moves. You can even do 10 lots once you actually become more advanced. I actually have a few buddies that do 10 lots and up and stuff like that. So they're doing 10 lots to $100 per move. Like I showed you guys back here, this candle is 26 pips. 26 pips at $100 per move. Once you actually like really get to know this, that's $2,000 in a matter of 5 minutes. One 5-minute candle. And if you would have held it, if you knew where price was going, you would have held it all the way down here. This is 70 pips, 68 pips in a matter of what, 30, 45 minutes, an hour. If you're doing only one standard lot, that's $680 in an hour. So that's basically going over that. Now, risk management. This is the smart way to trade. Okay, now say your account size is $10, which is the minimum you could deposit into Trader's Way. FX Choice, the minimum is, I think it's $50 or $100. But after that, once you do your first deposit, you could do $10. You could put $10 in FX Choice and trade with that. But like I said, with this leverage, you're not going to be able to do much with $10. Only it's 0.01. But even with $10, the max size you want to trade is 0.01. Alright? Because like I said, trading is a game of skill and educated guesses. I like to say educated guesses. So you're not going to win every single trade. It's impossible. There's not one trader in this world that wins every single trade. Okay? Even being 60 to 70% accurate with your trades is amazing. Like, you could probably bring 60 to 70% accurate trades in a portfolio of a lot of trades. So if you're 60 to 70% consistently, you can honestly go to Wall Street and get a nice job on the stock market. Like, that's how big of a deal that is. 60 to 70%, 80%, you're an amazing trader. If you guys are that accurate, then you guys should be killing the market, making tons and tons of money. Life-changing amount of money. For a $100 account, so you have $100 in an account, the max lot size you want to do is 0.10, which is $1 per move. Okay, so that gives you 100 pips before you blow this account. Alright, 100 pips is a lot, especially the way certain pairs go. Like, certain pairs move way more than other pairs. Like this pair right here, GBP Jappy, which is the Great Britain pound versus Japanese yen. This move on an average daily, on a daily average, moves 157 pips. But unlike this pair right here, AUD, which is the Australian dollar versus US dollar, only moves 58 pips a day. And that's just daily. Alright, so like I said, $100 you only want to do 0.10. So you have enough room for the market to actually play yourself out, unless in case you do get into drawdown, in which a drawdown is when the trade goes against you, when you're negative in the trade. So it could withstand that and let the market play out. So then hopefully it does go in the way that you thought it was going to go, and then you start profiting from it. Now, say you have $1,000, for every $1,000 you have in your account, you could trade up to one lot, which is $10 per move. Okay, $10 per move, which is amazing. So for 1,000 you get one lot. Say you have $2,000 account, the max you want to do is 2 lots, 2.00. So you have a $200 account, the max you want to do is 0.20, which is $2 moves. So you have a $20 account, the most you want to do is 0.02, which is 20-cent moves. And that's important. This right here is very important. Risk management is everything. If you cannot perfect this, then you might as well stop trading. You're gonna end up spending, blowing a lot of money. Which is what when I first started, this is what I had problems with. I was just being greedy. I wanted to make $1,000 overnight, and that's not how trading works. You got to take this very, very serious. All right, now to add indicators and templates to the thing. Okay. Now when you go, I'm gonna give you guys a file. I'm gonna send you guys some files that you guys can download, so you guys can get the templates and the indicators for this. Like all the stuff that I personally use, like this. Like this thing right here that gives you guys all the information on a 5-minute time frame, gives you the name of it, the spread that it's at right now, and stuff like that. And then you guys can use the candle timer just so you guys see when it ends again. You guys have the average daily range. You guys be able to do the movement averages. The movement averages already come with the thing, so that's not something you have to download. And then we have a whole bunch of other custom ones that I'm going to give to you guys. You guys can start playing around with. Like I said, there's a whole bunch of these bad boys. Okay, so that's now how to actually do it is when you guys download it. When I send you guys phone, you guys download it to your laptop, wherever you guys put the file in. You want to copy that file. It's most likely going to go to your downloads file. You copy that file. Then you come back to your platform administrator for it. You go here to file. You go to open data folder. And then once that comes up, you're going to click on a folder that says MQL4 or ML. I think it's MQL4. It'll come up in a second. Pretty slow. But it says MQL4. Once you click that, there's another folder after that says indicators folder, and in that folder is where you're going to copy and paste the files that I send to you guys that are going to be available for you guys to add, so you guys can have all the stuff that you guys see on my screen. Alright, so here's the folder now. Once it comes here, go to MQL4. Then after this one right here, like I said, it's going to be another folder that says indicators, and that's where you guys are going to put on. I'm not even going to do it because my computer's like so slow. And Same thing goes for the templates. Now, I'm going to give you the download also, which is once you upload the indicators to the thing, instead of going to F.A.Q, once you click on Open Data Folder in the file, actually, this is the indicators folder I was talking about. I'm not going to do it though. I'm just going to go back to here. But, like I was saying, once you go to the file, you come back here and you have the template indicator that I send you guys, you open this folder right here, templates, and you copy and paste it into there. Now, once you copy and paste it into there, and you copy and paste the indicator inside the indicator folder in F.A.Q, then you're going to come here. You can just exit out the whole and exit this whole thing out and reboot it, and it'll be all right there. All your folders will be right in. Your indicators will be right where the indicators are in the custom. You got to go to custom, and then you'll find whatever the name was. And that's going to be your indicators. Once all that is there, and you confirm that your indicators in the folder, you just right click. And you run the screen, go to template down here, and then you just click the template that you just saved on your platform. Whatever name you named it, it's going to be right here, and you just pick the template and go from there. Let's see what else we got. 16 minutes in this. Alright, so let me go fast. Bonuses. Bonuses are what brokers offer just to give you more equity. It builds equity, so you have more space, more room to work with, per se. Me, I have a thing about bonuses. I don't use bonuses. I used to, but I don't like bonuses at all. I honestly don't recommend them until you become more experienced with trading. Because the thing with bonuses is that if you over leverage, this is like the only way possible that you can actually get negative in your trading account. Because if you use a bonus and you over leverage and the trade goes against you, you can actually be negative in your account. And this is honestly one of the only ways I think that you can become negative in your account is by taking a bonus, and that eventually goes negative and goes negative way too much and goes against you. So it's there for you to use. Most brokers give you like a 50% bonus match, or some brokers even give you 100% bonus match. But like I said, I don't recommend it. Spread. The spread is the difference between the buy and the sell quotes that the brokers give you. Now, I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so here, the bid and the ask, okay? This is the buy and the sell. Like I said, the spread is the difference between these two prices. That's the spread which the broker always takes from you, or which the broker takes in that's what they take, whatever. So that's what the spread is. Once you place a trade, let's say I placed a buy trade, I will already be negative the spread, just because that's how it works. It can be negative, but it's only the spread. It's not going to be negative as soon as you place a trade. Now, obviously, if the trade goes against you, let's say I'm in the buy and it goes down, then obviously I'm going to start losing money like that. But as soon as you place a trade, the spread is what they take. And the spread, like I said, it's all in this indicator right here that you get to download down here. So you guys, it shows it right there to the spread between them. Let me make this fast. Take profit and stop losses. Alright, now when you get your platform and you actually place a trade, like I'll place a trade right now just to show you guys. Do a buy. Which is 0.20 lots, which is $2 per move. Okay. Now with these, I'm in the buyer, so I'm expecting them to go up. This right here, when I move the price up like this, this is your take profit. Okay, I could put this at a certain level where I think price is going to hit, and then eventually start to stutter. It's going to start to slow down and stuff like that. So that's why I feel like price is it's my best opportunity. So it's right there. As you can see, it's TP, which stands for take profit. I placed it on top. It's up. It's above it. Now for a stop loss is where you place an imaginary line where if price gets to this point, it'll automatically close the trade for you. Like as you can see right here, I put this stop loss 5 pips away. So if price were to go against me, then I will lose $9.68. Alright, and now if price comes all the way up to my profit level where I put it, I will make $18. So if it went up 10 pips, I will make $18.31. Alright, those are stop loss and take profits. if you ever wanted to X out of them, you can just right click on them and you can cancel take profit. This right here, this button right here will bring you to the terminal. Remember I told you that down here in the previous video that shows you like the pair and any trades that you're in. Right here it shows you I'm in a buy trade, it shows me the lot size that I'm in, the pair that I'm trading, the price that I took the trade at, where my stop loss, where my take profit is. This is the current price, that is it right now. This is the commission that the broker takes from you, and that's the current profit that you're off. Like right now I'm negative $1.66 overall. This price right here is the current price. This is deducting the commission. This is the actual price you make. Let me see what else. There's analysis. Alright, so now when we do analysis, there's two different types of analysis, like I was telling you. There's technical analysis, which is you actually doing your a real full analysis, determining where you feel price is going to stall, where you feel price might go, and that includes this red line, the support and resistance line, which I'll get into a little later. It involves this blue line, which is the trend line. Involves Fibonacci, involves supply and demand zones, Elliott waves. There's so many different ways to actually do technical analysis. It's just there's hundreds of ways. You just gotta find which way best fits you. There's harmonic patterns. There's so many ways. So that's all technical. It's actually reading price action, which is how we trade. We read price and we just make trades based off what price is doing at certain levels. Okay. Now the other one is fundamentals. Fundamental trading is fundamental analysis is actually like news, events, major things that happen across the world, like say a tsunami hit like Japan, like how a tsunami hit Japan a few years ago. That made the markets move, makes the markets move in crazy ways, because obviously the economy is going through some stuff. So that's basically what that is. Now you can actually go to this website right here, forexfactory.com. Click on calendar up here, and it'll tell you the next news events that are coming up. Like it'll tell you all the news events that are coming. It'll tell you for which pairs. It'll tell you like the impact of the news. If it's going to be a strong news that's going to move the market a lot, or if it's going to be a mediocre news that's not going to do nothing at all, and stuff like that. And there's see like impact right here. It'll tell you the currency pair that it's for. It'll tell you what the news event that it is. Like, the red folders are the high impact ones that move the markets like crazy, that you actually want to be aware of. The yellow and the orange ones really don't do much at all. But these red ones, they definitely move the market like crazy. Like this right here is for President Draghi. He's the president over in Europe that controls all the Euro countries, currency countries. I don't know. But like I said, the red ones are the ones you want to look for. Every day before you trade, or every week, every single week, beginning of the week, you want to come to here to see what news events are coming up for that week. Like I said, this affects the markets like crazy. I don't trade based off these. I trade off technical analysis. But like I said, these could honestly throw my technical analysis off. Like say I'm in a buy. I did my analysis. I'm in a buy, and then I'm in a buy for the euro. And this guy right here speaks, and he says that the euro is going to hell. Then obviously my buy isn't going to work out, because everybody's going to sell the euro instead of buying it. Because something fundamentally happened that he said it's going to go down, so all the other traders start selling it, and I'm going to end up losing money. Alright, so it's been going on for a while. But let me see, last one, withdrawal options. Now, when you actually withdraw from a broker, you got a few options. All brokers usually do wire transfers, which is like the best way to do it. Which is do a wire transfer. You can do it through credit and debit cards. Like say you deposit it with a credit debit card, you can actually withdraw right back to that credit and debit card. But most brokers only allow you to deposit, or only allow you to withdraw the amount that you deposited from that card back, and then everything else usually has to go through wire transfer. Most brokers actually take Bitcoin now, where you can deposit and withdraw through Bitcoin if you guys have Bitcoin. PayPal, some brokers use PayPal. The brokers that I recommend don't do PayPal, none of that. They actually just do wire transfers and credit and debit card transfers. FX choice allows Bitcoin also and stuff like that. And let's see, and that's it for the withdrawal options. Deposit, you deposit with PayPal, you can deposit with credit or debit card. That said, you do a wire transfer, all that stuff for deposits also. And that's basically mostly asked questions that I have for here. Like I said, these are going to help you guys out. Screenshot this or just come back to this video whenever you want just to look over if you guys ever have any questions. Alright?